Hey everyone, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you're returning, welcome back. I have completed my double waterfall journal that is Tim Holtz ephemera. So I wanted to show you guys what I did. I'm very proud of this journal. It's been a couple months I've been working on it, and I finally finished it today. So this is the first page. Then we have a little tag in here, tag here, there's a tag inside the bag, and the back just has coffee dyed paper on it. A little photo. I just took one of the Tim Holtz pictures and put a Tim Holtz frame over top of it. And this is just for journaling. Took some Tim Holtz paper and just used it as some backgrounds. Some tags. Got some boo-boo tape. Or as I like to call it, oopsie tape. Used some photos from the photo booth. Made some ID cards. Now it gets bigger, so first it went from smallest to biggest, now it's going from biggest to smallest. This one has a vintage photo in it. Some boys. A little tabbed one. And some ladies sitting on some tickets. Some Tim Holtz paper into a tag. Aren't they darling? She kind of looks like the mom, like with the pearls. I used an identification card as a pocket, and then I stamped some tags to go in it. And that's it. That's the little journal. So let me know down in the comments what you think about it. I had a lot of fun making this. Don't know what I'm doing with it yet. It is for sale if somebody would like to buy it. So message me if you're interested, or comment down below. And I will see you guys again on the next one. Bye.